Hi, it's me Ariba Siddiqui and I'm back with another video. And today we are going to solve question number 7, which is if f of x equals to x power 3 integration with x power 3 as an upper limit, 1 as a lower limit, 1 over 1 plus ln t dt for x greater than equal to 1, then what is the answer of function if it is derivated with the value of 2 in place of x. All right, now we are moving towards the solution. All right, so now solution. Solution, we have the equation which is 1 over 1 plus ln t. All right, so with this question, first of all, the formula is used that whatever the function of x is, all right, put the put the value of g of x, which is x power 3. All right, let me just clear it to you. This function of x, all right, and what is the g of x? G of x is x power 3. X power 3. All right, now we are moving towards using the formula, which is f of, in place of x, g of x will be used in place of x. All right, g of x will be used, and there will be derivative of g of x. All right, so if the derivation is being done, sorry, if the integration of this function is going to happen, so solution will be doing this and the integration will be removed or solved. All right, so this is our question. All right, now moving towards solving it through the formula. All right, so x power 3 1 equals to 1 over, not equals to, 1 over 1 plus ln t. All right, now 1 over 1 plus ln t. Now x is greater than equals to 1. All right, we will further solve it by using this formula written here. All right, so this is the whole function we have. It will be replaced by x power q. All right, t will be removed by x power 1 over 1 plus t will be, because this is the function of x, this is the whole function of x. All right, so the whole function of x will be replaced by g of x. So 1 over 1 plus ln t will be replaced by x cube. Alright. And because x cube was our g of x. So in place of this function, in place of this whole function, alright, we place g of x, which is x cube. So 1 over 1 plus ln t, in place of t we placed x cube. Now according to the formula, the derivative will be for the g of x. So g of x was x cube. So derivative will be using the power rule. X cube will be derivated to 3x square. Alright, now the derivative has been solved. Now in place of x, as written, that we have to find the function if x is replaced by 2. Alright, so 3 2 square over 1 plus ln, in place of x it will be 2 cube. So the answer is 2 square is 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 3 is 12. So 12 over 1 plus ln 2 cube is 8. So 12 over 1 plus ln 8. This is the answer, if I can do it in a better way. This is our answer. Alright, 12 over 1 plus ln 8. Now among the options, which is the correct answer? 12 over 1 plus ln 8. This is a correct answer. Okay, hope you have understood. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.